subscribe and click the bell icon to turn on notifications.
Another type of task we can add into our project plan are milestone tasks. And milestones really show key points in a project. They might be there to show progress, completed deliverables, or decisions or triggers. And milestone tasks don't have any duration, so we can add as many as we need into our project. So let's add a couple in because these are very simple and straightforward. Now, notice that I've made a couple of changes to this project since the last lesson. I've added in a few more tasks, and the majority of these have predecessors and are automatically scheduled tasks. The final one at the bottom, where we finalize the course outline, you can see I have a little note in there. It's a manually scheduled task, and I don't really know the duration or the finish dates yet because I'm waiting on approval from the training manager. So I'm going to add in a milestone task for when this course outline is approved by the training manager. So I'm going to select task number 6. And another little side note here, when you're selecting tasks, click on the task number all the way over on the left-hand side. That's going to select the whole task as opposed to the individual fields if you were to click in any of these. So we're going to click on task number 6. Let's go up to the task tab, and all the way over in the insert group, we have a milestone option. So let's click to add a milestone task. Now notice that's inserted above where I was clicked, and we just have the default text of new milestone. Now notice that the duration is 0 days. As I said, milestone tasks don't have any duration, so it's always going to default to 0 days. And now we can rename this milestone. So I'm going to click in the field, and this is going to be outline approved. Now this milestone task relies on task number 5, the task before, being completed. So let's add in a predecessor. Once again, we can click the drop down, and I'm going to choose task number 5. Click on OK, and now check out the timeline. Milestones are represented with this little diamond icon. So let's zoom in so you can see that a little bit clearer. If we scroll across, we have a little diamond icon there, and it's showing me the date of this key milestone. And this milestone task doesn't change at all unless you manually move it. And milestone tasks don't increase the project duration in any way or reflect on the work or resource time. So now that I have that milestone, I can update the information for task number 7. So the duration is going to be 1 day, but I now know the date that this task can start. So we're going to change this to the day after the outline has been approved. So that is going to be March the 25th, but check it out. The 25th is a Saturday. So we want to set this to the next working day, which is going to be the 27th. And if we take a look at the timeline, we can see that change has now been reflected. And it's also worth noting that you can create predecessors for milestone tasks as well. So I'm going to make the milestone task a predecessor of finalized course outline. So if we click the drop down, there it is, task number 6, outline approved. Let's click, and that's now updated in the schedule.
If you're not a subscriber, click down below to subscribe so you get notified about similar videos we upload. To see the full course that this video came from, click over there. And click over there to see more videos from Simon Says It.